Imagine a world where your jewelry not only complements your style, but also tells your unique story. That's the magic of 3D printed custom jewelry. It's personal, innovative, and right at the frontier of fashion and technology. Once the design is set, it's time to bring it to life. 3D printing allows for intricate details that traditional methods might miss. Each piece isn't just made, it's engineered with precision and care. But what materials define the essence of 3D printed jewelry? From durable plastics to luxurious metals, the choice dramatically influences both the look and feel of your finished piece. Education is key. Engaging with courses like 3D printing for jewelry design on Udemy or tuning into podcasts like The Jewelry District can provide invaluable insights and keep you updated with the latest trends and techniques. Marketing your unique jewelry is next. Videos such as How to Start a Custom Jewelry Business by Mobile Cuisine offer great tips on showcasing your products to the world, making sure they sparkle in the crowded market. Selling platforms play a crucial role too. Whether through an established online marketplace or your bespoke e-store, your platform choice can affect how your jewelry is perceived and purchased. Finally, the most rewarding part, seeing someone wear your creation. It's not just jewelry, it's a piece of art that represents a personal story, a story that they chose to wear and share with the world.